Okay guys, Raining Blood, 3 times hyperspeed.
My battery's dying.
This song's not that hard.
Raining Blood on expert.
Ah! Okay. Ugh. So smart.
My battery's like dead end.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Let's go left.
I don't know. Should last long enough for the song. How long is the song?
2 minutes and like 50 seconds.
Yeah, I think it'll last.
Oh no, I'm gonna fail and ah!
You haven't missed a note yet, have you?
Well, this isn't hard. I like doing that. I just didn't taste it.
Whee!
Yeah, I'm holding a triple note and a single note. I'm so cool.
His hands has become one with the guitar.
I can't strum verse 3, that's just hard. Like, that's hard. I know people that can, but I don't know. Actually, I only know one person that can. Yeah, maybe the guitar be with you.
He is one with the guitar.
Awesome! I hit the whole first part.
And now he broke the guitar.
It's like a 5-star, like a Eurovision. Last song I need to find.
Last song has been considered consent again because he died.
Oh, remember that was awesome.
That was hilarious. Good timing though.
So late at night, I was falling asleep on it. My friend was like, Guitar Hero.
I'm watching it on the camera. That's hilarious.
It's tasty. Can't believe I missed that. Yay! Mage sad now. Yeah, add me on Xbox Live Friday 362.
Friday 362 is his Xbox Live account.
And that's his song from Escape 101 High Five. Yay.
Yay for Hippie Dude.
Yeah, I don't have any. Oh,
Hippie.
Yeah,
your guitar's good.
I hate the song. Guitar. Oh my god, I wanna hit this.
Holy crap. I can't hear the song. I can't even hear myself think when you
like, how the hell are you supposed to move your fingers back and forth this fast? And don't forget that hyperspeed. Like, I can't do that.
This is on hyperspeed?
Yeah.
Wow, YouTube people, this is on hyperspeed. Wee.
Yeah, I always play hyperspeed. This is like normal for me.
Are those hammer ons? Yeah, they are too, aren't
I
they?
can't hammer them. It's going too fast. Yeah, guys, I didn't even give me my record. Bong.
It's over?
Yeah, pretty well. It's gonna go red. Yeah, again.
Asian.
I don't think you'd be able to see my face. I think it's too dark. Holy shit, they are there.